أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Today we are going to discuss one of the most important topic, and that is called Tanween. There are six short signs: Fatha, Kasra, Damma, Tanween, Fatha, Tanween, Kasra, Tanween, Damma. And we have learned in the first class Fatha, Kasra and Damma. And today we are going to discuss about the Tanween Fatha, Tanween Kasra and Tanween Damma. So if you didn't watch my video on the Fatha, Kasra and Damma, so you can check in the channel. Today we will just discuss about the Tanween Fatha, Tanween Kasra, Tanween Damma. First thing you have to know that if there is this signs above the letter, so that is Tanween Fatha. And if there is these signs but downside the letter having same shape like Tanween Fatha, that is called Tanween Kasra. And these sign above the letter but different shape than Tanween Fatha and Tanween Kasra, these are called Tanween Damma. Sound of Tanween Fatha will be like an. Tanween Kasra in. Tanween Damma sound will be un. So if there is meme with Tanween Fatha, so we will add M only, like man, okay, Tanween Kasra, min, Tanween Damma, mun. Man, min, mun. Now we are going to learn the sound again. First we will learn with spelling. Meme, double Fatha or Tanween Fatha, man. Meme, Tanween Kasra, min. Meme, Tanween Damma, mun. I will call it double Fatha, double Kasra, double Damma. So this will be easy for all of you, like Fatha and double Fatha, Kasra and double Kasra, Damma and double Damma. Sound will be like man, min, mun. First we will read the letter ba, then sign, double Fatha, ban. Sound will be ban. Ba, double Kasra, bin. Ba, double Damma, bun. Ban, bin, bun. You can see that we made the alif gray. Simply means that we don't have to read it. But what is the reason? If there is Tanween Fatha, and after Tanween Fatha, if there is alif and ya, so we won't read alif and ya. We will read only the letter having Tanween Fatha on it. So this one will be like wow, double Fatha, one. Wow, double Kasra, win. Wow, double Damma, wun. Sound will be one, win, wun. This one, done, din, dun. This one will be like the difficult one, an, in, un, from your throat. An, in, un. I hope you got the point. I told you before there is difference between tha and seen. So this one will be sun and this one will be sun. Sin, sin, sun and sun. This one will be whistly and this one will be, you can call it like a very light sound. So one more thing you have to remember, if there is raw is always bold, but the sign is above the ra, so we read it bold, run. Sign is downside the letter, so we will read it simple, rin. This is called ra maksura. The letter having kasra under ra, it is not read boldly. Mean if there is double kasra, if there is standing kasra, if there is kasra, so that will be like symbol, not bold. Okay? We will read it like run, rin, run. bold, bold, normal. I hope you got the point. Now we know that there are six short signs. Fatha, Kasra, Damma. These are called harkat. If alif has any sign above or downside it, so we will call it Hamza. And the rest of the three signs are double Fatha, double Kasra, double Damma. We call them Tanween. If there is alif and ya after double Fatha, we won't read alif and ya. We will read only the letter having double Fatha on it. Now we are going to practice on the sounds of short sign, all the short sign, Fatha, Kasra, Damma, double Fatha, double Kasra, double Damma. This one with single Fatha will be Ma, Man, okay? Na, Nan, okay? Pi, Pin, Ju, Jun, Li, Lin, Tu, Tun. These two classes were about short sign. I hope you understand everything. If you have any kind of question, you can let me know in the comment section. Till the next video, take care and Allah Hafiz.